This is iPhone X and it's not coming on. I plugged the charger and I realized that the phone is charging and the phone vibrates. So taking out the bottom screws, opening the screen, and I just realized that the screen is fully broken. So I have to leave the metal plate, disconnect the connectors, take the earpiece out, prepare the new screen, attach the earpiece, attach the screen, make sure everything is attached, put the screws back, close this phone, double check, put the bottom screws, and that's it. The phone is working.